Greetings, future leaders of tomorrow. My name is B. Jima, and I am an academic motivational strategist and the founder of the America My Oyster Association, where we believe that everyone is deserving of a college education no matter their present circumstances. Now, speaking of present circumstances, both yourself and everyone in this country is having to adjust to an unimaginable new normal. And as you know, that happens to be living within the era or the age of COVID-19. Now, this is an unprecedented challenge that individuals across America and all over the world are having to adapt to, and it's difficult having to make this adjustment. But I'm here to tell you that you have the power within you to be able to succeed no matter what. I hope that you, of course, are staying safe, that you're staying focused, and that you are staying determined to finish your semester strong. Marcus Aurelius, the great philosopher, he once said these words that I want you to focus in on how you can embody these words. Now, Marcus Aurelius, he once said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this and you will find strength." And that is what I'm here to tell you. You have not only the power, but the strength within yourself to be able to not only live, but also to thrive. Yes, I did say thrive during the COVID-19 epidemic. Why do I say this? Because I believe in you. And the members at the America My Oyster Association, they also believe in you as well. We know that you are not a stranger to different life challenges, obstacles, and adversities. We believe that even though you have faced these challenges, you were still able to overcome them. Even if at that moment in time it felt like you were not going to be able to, you found the strength within you to still say that I will be able to go through this in order to get to whatever goal that I need to reach. And this semester, you still have a goal to reach, and that happens to be being able to master your coursework, being able to do very well within your particular classes in terms of being able to succeed with your exams, your projects, and any assignments that you have to be able to do well on in order to get to the next level within your academic career. So even though we have the headlines of individuals who have tragically lost their lives to the corona epidemic, as well as the increasing numbers of individuals who are unemployed in America, you know, as well as I know, that life, it still continues to continue. Classes across America, in terms of high schools and colleges and universities, they've all resumed. And so you need to be able to find that strength within yourself, and trust me, it's within you, to be able to continue to continue. And I'm here to tell you that no matter what challenges you face, only look at these issues, problems, and adversities as the ticket to admission to the dream. It is the price that you must pay to become all that you have envisioned for yourself and to earn all that you know you are deserving of. So, future leaders of tomorrow, I want you to know that you must continue to strive to reach a greater level of excellence within your personal as well as academic life. Because every day that you work toward meeting those particular goals in the face of the corona epidemic, you are making a substantial investment in your present as well as your future. And not only that, you are making a powerful decision to continue no matter what. So let's finish what you've started. I'm rooting for you, and the members of the America My Oyster Association were also cheering for you. And we would like to tell you congratulations in advance. So now I want you to continue to make yourself proud of your accomplishments. Keep making your family members proud of you, and keep making America proud of you. We wish you the very best that life has to offer, and we know that you have the very best within you. Thank you.